Hello, my name is Michael with ACE English School Japan, located in Takasaki, Gunma. Okay, so today's lesson is going to be attend like in to go somewhere and take part in an event. Okay, so some things that we use attend for would be attend a wedding, attend a funeral, attend a meeting, attend a conference, attend a lecture, and things like that. Also, we have another meaning of attend for to go to somewhere regularly, like attend a college or university, or attend a high school or junior high school. Okay, but basically what I want to do is some examples for attend, like to go somewhere and take part in something. Okay, so for an example, I attended my coworker's wedding on Saturday. I attended my coworker's wedding on Saturday. I have to attend a funeral on Sunday. I have to attend a funeral on Sunday. I have to attend a meeting in the morning. I have to attend a meeting in the morning. I'm going to attend a lecture in Tokyo. I'm going to attend a lecture in Tokyo. I'm going to attend a conference in America. I'm going to attend a conference in America. Okay. I hope that that helped you. I hope you understand how to use attend, and I'll see you again next time. If you like the video, please hit subscribe, hit like, leave a comment, and share with anybody you think might like the video. Okay, thank you. Bye.